Hey guys, what's going on? Electric Bike Review greatly values transparency, and it should be no surprise that I was hired by this company to do a factory tour. Now this contributes both content and funding to EBR to cover expenses like hosting the sites and forum and travel. Now naturally, a factory tour can't be an in-depth review or an endorsement of a company or a product, but it does help bridge the gap between the rider and the manufacturer, something that I'm very excited to be a part of. Now I've done as little editing as possible to allow the facilities to speak for itself. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's going on guys? So I am here at Julet Connectors, about to walk in. It looks like they have a busy shipment going out today, but I'll walk inside and we'll take you up and get a tour. So yeah, Julet Connectors makes connectors for, the scale at which they make them is quite impressive, but also they make them for a wide variety of different electric bicycles, electric scooters, and lots of other stuff. I know that you've done
skid bike.
Skid bike?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And the
skateboard.
Skateboards.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. So when if you ever bother to open one of them up, you'll see these connectors inside. It might not sound like something pretty amazing, but when you see their production facilities downstairs, it's pretty eye-opening the amount of detail that goes into something so small that we kind of take for granted. But yeah, Jaco, show me around.
Yeah. Around here, Julet design department is around here. We have the 12 employees in here for the design, new production, and the design for the customize. So around here is our Julet department for the design. Around here, and in here is the HR department for the human force in here. But unfortunately, they have a meeting.
It's okay. We'll take a peek, and hopefully they don't get upset.
Okay. And around here is our sales department. Almost about 16 employees in here. And this one is our salesman, and that one is our salesman manager, Mr. Bao, over here. And around here is our sales department.
Oh, great! Yeah. Wonderful.
Yes, and I will show you the warehouse and the test machine. It's downstairs in the second floor.
Excellent. So the sales force is not all that exciting.
So around here is our customized cables. Around here, the customers send they need cables and ask Julet for produce. Is put around here. So this part is after the folder tape, and we arrive here or just right now.
Yeah.
Just right now.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. And around here is our test lab. So you can see we test the cables first. Around here we test each cables for they can take the force. We test the times. You can see around here we have a count. We test the how many times the cables will be broken or will be set around this machine. And this one is for test the plug and the plug force in here. And then we can see the times in here and the speed and the plug force and the current force in here. And this one is test the cables. Normal and automatic in here, test in here. And this one you can see we showed the more detailed components in here. We can analyze what happened in this component in here. Okay, this is our test lab in here. And around here we can see how to produce the connector around here. We press each connector plastic part and the pins around here. So different connectors, we do the same thing. This one is for the outside pin production in here. After produce the connector, we will show you the cables cut. Around this line is for the cables cut. The machine is automatically for the, because we must make sure the length is the same, and the scraping length must be the same. So with different machine, we produce the different lengths. So you can see we have many machines in here. And in this one is just for the scraping, because the different scraping length, maybe the small machine cannot do it. So we have a bigger machine in here. And after the cut cables, and we produce the around here. We produce the connectors and with cables soldering. So you can see we soldering by hand, because our design is wrong and with different size. Also around here we produce the cables and the final cutting for the soldering and the final piece in around here. And around here, this station is for the test. Because after the soldering, we must make sure, before the injection, we must make sure the cables is on the right and stable status. So we use this machine. You can see, because our competitor just look for the human will be difficult. So we set the machine for the quality control. Make sure Julet cables is very good. Go to the customer. And after the test, we go to the injection. And around here we made the injection for the cables. We made the different cables and with different mode. This one is before injection, so we can see the before. And around here, the worker is put the cable in mode and injection and wait is because the material must be stable. And after injection, you can see around here. This is the final production in here.
Great.
So around here is made with the different production around here. This machine.
Good. Go ahead.
And around here, this is for the final test. The final test machine is just for the test the voltage and the current, and they include the open and the short. We can see the number, and we can test the cables with the prod. This prod is maybe different cables with different probe in here. So the test each pins for measure the cables with the good, without the open and the short around here. So with the different cables. This is for the 5 pins. They put the test and the test the other side for the measure. Okay, around here is the final, and check the numbers for the each customers. So in here we can see they check the numbers, so we can see the numbers and the date and the customer name and the item name in here. So around here we measure the numbers in here for put and waiting for shipping. So finally we pick up and packing for waiting shipping the box in here. So around here we shipping to Netherlands. This is the Netherlands customer for AVT. Our Netherlands customer include the AVT and the SL. And next month we have the ASI control the factory in Canada. So they will be our customer too.
Thank you very much, Jacob, for showing me around.
Yeah, thank you.
It's great. So yeah, guys, check out the Julet website. The website that you have is
yes, we have. We have the. You can check the Kushan Junlei 电器. Maybe I will show you on the screen.
Yeah, okay. I'll have to put a link in the description below. Thank you very much for showing me the factory. That's great. And thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the forums.